This video will show you how to remove the stock exhaust on all 2014 through 2018 5.3-liter Silverado 1500s.
All right, first step here, you want to grab a 13mm socket. We're going to loosen up the clamp right in front of, or behind rather, the catalytic converter. So that'll loosen this up, and then the rest of them are just hangers holding onto the exhaust. Moving about a foot toward the rear, you'll find another hanger here. This is holding it onto the frame. I'm going to use my hanger removal tool, which I highly recommend using. A pry bar could work as well. All right, for the next step, we have two hangers right behind our factory muffler, right over our rear diff. Now, I have a pole jack supporting the exhaust system at this point because once we pop these off, it gets pretty loose because we're up here on the lift. Grab a hanger removal tool and pop these two off. All right, there's one last hanger here. It's up by the exhaust tip right next to the spare tire carrier. Now, once this guy is loose or disconnected, the entire exhaust is disconnected. So you want to make sure you have something like a pole jack supporting it or a helping hand to give you a hand here. All right, at this point, remove your exhaust and set it aside all in one piece.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Silverado, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.